Well, guys, we just picked up the car. Here she is, my new to me 2021 Toyota Supra 3.0 Premium with the carbon fiber mirror package. I could not be happier to own this car. After going in a few of my buddies' Supras, modified and all that, it is awesome. And the word awesome does not really describe the pros and the cons of this car. I bet you could find a million videos of pros and just a slight amount of cons with this car. Long story short, I'll give you a little story. I drove to test drive 4 different cars, all 3.0 premiums, and this is the lowest mileage and one owner, no accidents. I'll show you the mileage right now. All right, guys, so this is just a quick little view of the interior. I'm about 5'7", like I said before, and here, I mean, you can't really tell, but the top is right here. So it is very, like, there's not a lot of headroom if you were a bigger person, but for anybody, you can definitely get in, and that shouldn't be a reason that you shouldn't buy the car, because once you're in here, it is so comfortable. There's a lot of leg room. Even on the other side, you could tell you could stretch out in there. And yeah, I'm just going to show the mileage real quick. 11,800, and this is after a 400-mile road trip to Maryland and back, so it was even less than 11,600. And yeah, guys, these are the mirror vent things that stop the wind from coming in, and it makes a huge difference. That is a first mod for anybody buying this car. Drastic difference. So yeah, all right, guys, catch you back in a second. Let's see. The dash is off, but 11,000 miles, 11,600 miles on this car. I drove to Maryland and back, and I am just so happy with everything so far. I've had the car for about 2 days now, and I love it. I'm just gonna give you a quick little overview. So this is the regular interior, fully stock, as I said before, 11,600 miles. It is spotless in here. I'm not too big of a person. I'm about 5'7", so the interior space is perfect for me. I'm not gonna lie, if you were probably above 6 foot, getting out of the vehicle with this, as you can see, it would be a pain. You would probably hit your head every single time getting in and out of the car. Yeah, so we're gonna do a quick little walk around. We got the original everything, so we have the original wheels with the super big brake, regular kit that comes on the premiums. Yeah, so we're gonna come around the back here, just the regular back side on it. Someone wrote B58 on my window glass. That's funny. Yeah, so we're gonna swing around the front here. This is fully stock, one owner, 11,000 miles here. As you can tell, there's no rock chips, there's no nothing. The front is spotless. I just drove it to the gym and back, and I absolutely love this car. Yes, people would consider it a slight downgrade from the M3, but I'm not going to lie to you. In New York right now, the BMW M3 insurance it's really unaffordable. Maybe unaffordable is not the word. It's really just like, there's no explanation for why it's so much. It's because everybody, I think, in the city is renting them, crashing them, the whole 9 yards. So from all the research I've been doing, the Toyota Supra insurance is $300 less a month. I think just because it's Toyota. But as you can see, oh my gosh, I love it. Every angle of this car is absolutely gorgeous. And I love the one thing that the previous owner did. I heard a bunch of things about the wind noise. So as you can tell, I mean, it gets some wind noise in there pretty crazy. Driving home with that on was a game changer and truly insane. I'm just so happy with this car. I'm going to be making so many videos. My goal is to hit 600 to 700 wheel horsepower on this car and do some track time, some videos on that with a bunch of friends, some cruises. This is simply a car that is not going to be stanced. It will be lowered, I'm not going to lie, and it will have some aftermarket wheels on there just to handle the speed. But I'm planning on doing a carbon kit as well. I cannot wait to show you guys what I'm going to do with this car, and this car is so much more affordable. It's awesome. And I was able to pick up the lowest mileage one that I've seen at 11,000 miles with one owner. Truly spotless. Really, really insane. I cannot get over this car. I already have 4 things coming in the mail. Long story short, I ordered them while I was driving home once I secured the car. So I have a bunch of crazy stuff coming in the mail. Hopefully this week and next week. I'm going to input a clip right here of the stock cold start on regular mode and sport mode. As you can tell, a little bit of foreshadowing, there's a reason why I'm going to include that in this video. Yeah, so I'm going to catch up with you guys in a little bit. Like I said, please follow along. This is going to be awesome. I cannot wait to show you guys what I'm going to do with this car. I am so excited, and I hope you guys are too. Yes, the WRX is still mine. I still have it. It's still fully modified, and I have more videos coming on the WRX as well. This is just something I had to secure. This was a great deal, and I cannot put into words how excited I am to bring you guys this. I will catch you guys in the next video. Please, please, please follow along. This is going to be awesome. I'm not one of those big channels, so everything is going to be custom made by me, and it is going to be great. I will see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe, and every comment counts. I respond to all of them. I appreciate everybody. I'll catch you guys soon. What's going on, everybody? So yeah, this is a nice little POV action. This angle that I have now is not going to be permanent for the GoPro, but for right now it is just a test run, honestly, just to see how in this first video how this plays out. So this is my first drive in it after picking it up. I just got out of work pretty late, so yeah, this is just an interior POV drive, fully stock. Yeah, so as you can, I don't know if you could hear right now, little burbles. We're gonna be driving it in sport mode, just to get home. Just a quick little improv sesh here, kind of just yapping, talking about the car. Right off the bat, I love it automatically already. This car is awesome so far. Let's see, let's give her a little gas here. Fully stock so far, sounds amazing. I love that. I know it's dark out, you probably can't see crazy, but yeah, so I'm just gonna go over some more things about the car. So the steering wheel, I know a lot of people talk about that. It is the same as a Toyota Sienna steering wheel, but it is super comfortable and it's super nice, and it gives you a perfect amount of room just for your body when you're driving, you know, like with some enthusiasm. It definitely gives you the room and the space to do that. Let's see here. This is stock and it still sounds pretty good. A little bit of pop action. Second gear. Yeah, so far great. Ooh, some little burbles there, a little downshift. Ooh, she's pretty quick. Love that. Alright, we're coming up at a red light here. So yeah, this is just a little test run with the new setup. gonna dial everything in, and in the next few videos, obviously, will be during the daytime with some more mods. I got some crazy stuff coming, so yeah, I'm gonna end the video there. Just wanted to add a little inside cabin POV. I know it's at night, but you get the gist. So yeah, I'm gonna call it there, and can't wait to show you guys this next video. I already have a bunch of stuff at home, which obviously is gonna be in the next video. So I will see you guys shortly, and I'm out. I'm gonna go get home and edit this video. So I'll see you guys later.